I'm in the garage. We just got back from two estate sales, a moving sale and a yard sale. So, and a little bit of retail arbitrage. But we're going to do the retail arbitrage and the estate sale and the yard sale together. Then we're going to do another estate sale haul separately. Don't even need to show them that yet. Middle Yinzer right here joined me today. She was a trooper. She was being compared to Commonwealth Picker's kids. But first off, we found this yard sale. Top Command. I'm not sure what it's about. Looks like it's about John Eisenhower or Eisenhower MacArthur. Sealed VHS tape. I love them. Picked that up. Picked up all this Tupperware. I don't think it's all vintage, but it's all here. And I think the big winner of this one, it's called Dakota Alert. I'm not sure what it is. We've looked it up. It sells for about $50 to $100. So I gotta do a little bit more.
What it's named?
It's called Dakota Alert.
Dakota?
Dakota.
Okay.
We picked all this up right here for a grand total of $4. So this will sell for probably between $50 and $100. So do a little bit more research on it and we'll see how it does. Next up, watch the Yinzer behind me because she has no pants on. We picked this up at an estate sale. Brand new Penn State University framed clock. Brand new sealed steel. It even has the old workaholic battery in it, which I'm probably sure doesn't work. But we got this. I will tell you how much we spent on all this in a second as soon as we're done. Because you're going to be kind of amazed what we spent. Vintage Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles figure from 1990. So that was kind of cool, a little pickup. A little reminiscence of my childhood. NASCAR flag, 3x5. Welcome NASCAR fans. Still sealed. This sells for about $10 to $12. And then the Middle Yinzer found all these.
Yeah.
You got these. Remotes. What is there? 2, 4, there's 8 remotes in here. Just need a little bit of cleanup. All a bunch of different things. And then the DVD remotes. We found these NHRA MasterCard Collector Series pins from Seattle International Raceway. Right there. We got all this stuff that I just showed you for a grand total of $10. So I think we're gonna do really well on that. Then we decided to go to Ross, which Ross was a little hit or miss this time. They didn't have really any shoes or whatnot. Oh, there's a Starbucks drink in there. I'm not sure where that came
It
from.
was not included.
We did not purchase that at Ross. But we got some stamps or some socks. Green Bay Packers socks, $3.99. It's football season coming up, guys. This football stuff's gonna sell. Houston Texans socks, $3.99. These are the Stance socks. I love selling Stance socks because they do sell. And then, last but not least, Philadelphia Eagles socks. Stance socks. So that's what we found at that one. At those 2, 3, whatever it was. Yeah. So I think it was pretty good. I think we did well. I'm gonna let you end this one.
That'd be me. So thanks for following along and watching our haul video. It was a great day, and we hope that you have a good one too. So be kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and of course, keep picking. Bye.
What's up, guys? As you can see, somebody's actually filming me today. She hates. Can you?
I thought you were starting over.
No, I guess I have to now. You gotta be better at this.
Well, you gotta stop saying "as you can see."
No, I'm gonna say it every time.